How to fix nearby people not showing on Telegram. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot the nearby people feature when it's not loading on your Android device. First, open Telegram on your Android device and make sure the nearby people feature has location permission. Without it, the feature simply won't work. To check, long press on the Telegram app icon, tap the info icon to open app info, then tap permissions, and make sure location is set to allow while using the app or always. After that, go back to app info, tap storage, and tap clear cache to remove any temporary data that could be causing the issue. From there, tap force stop and confirm with OK to fully shut the app down. Once done, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap restart to reboot your device. After it boots back up, open Telegram and check if nearby people is now showing correctly. Keep in mind, the nearby people feature also requires the other person to have their location active and visible on Telegram at the same time. If no one nearby has the feature enabled, the list will show as empty, even when everything on your end is working fine. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix nearby people on Telegram, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next one.